Dancing Plague, Mystery Unveiled. 4. The Dancing Plague of 1518. Centuries passed, but the story of the dancers never disappeared. In quiet whispers, it moved across Europe. It became a ghost, not just of the people who died, but of a question that was never answered. How could hundreds of people lose control of their bodies, at the same time? Modern scientists have tried to solve the mystery. One theory blames ergot, a toxic mold that grows on damp rye bread. Ergot contains chemicals similar to LSD. It can cause hallucinations, muscle spasms, and convulsions. Sounds possible, right? But there's a problem. Ergot poisoning causes extreme pain. People don't move rhythmically. They don't look like they're dancing. Instead, they seize. They scream. They collapse. That doesn't match what witnesses described in Strasbourg. So another theory emerged, mass hysteria. Now called mass psychogenic illness, it happens when a group of people, usually under stress, begin to experience the same strange symptoms. It's happened before. Laughter epidemics. Fainting in classrooms. Even biting frenzies. And it often affects women more than men. Just like the plague in Strasbourg. People were starving. Diseases were spreading. The region was deeply religious, superstitious, and afraid. So maybe the dancers were expressing pain in the only way they could. Through the body. Their minds broke, and their legs didn't stop moving. But even that explanation feels incomplete. How did so many people keep going for days? How did their bodies survive? Some researchers suggest that the city may have unknowingly encouraged the behavior. By believing it was spiritual, they may have made it worse. Remember, the town didn't stop the dancers right away. They gave them space. Musicians. A stage. What if that support helped the trance spread? Like a fire, it needed fuel. And the people of Strasbourg kept feeding it, until it finally collapsed under its own weight. But even with all these theories, science, psychology, and superstition, no one can say for sure what happened. Because the truth is, the dancing plague sits in a strange place between history and nightmare. Too real to ignore. Too strange to explain. And sometimes, those are the stories that stay with us the longest. The ones that remind us that the human mind is powerful. That fear moves fast. And that under the right pressure, even the most peaceful city can start to dance.